Extradition is a formal legal process by which one state requests another to surrender a person to face trial or serve a sentence for crimes that are punishable in both countries. This procedure is based on international treaties or bilateral agreements between countries, and its goal is to ensure that a person does not escape from justice by simply crossing national borders. This procedure is carried out under strict norms that protect the human rights of the person. Extradition is only possible if the crime for which it is requested is legally recognized in both countries, a principle known as double criminality. There are numerous safeguards in the process to ensure that extradition is not used for political, racial, religious, or persecution purposes. Therefore, a specialized extradition lawyer allows you to provide crucial legal advice on this process, represents you as a defendant to protect your rights and ensure that international regulations and justice standards are respected. Spain has extradition treaties with numerous countries around the world, ensuring international cooperation in the prosecution of serious crimes. These agreements allow Spain to request the extradition of persons accused or convicted of crimes, or for other countries to request from Spain the surrender of individuals under similar conditions. Spain, you may know, is part of several multilateral and bilateral treaties. Each of these treaties and agreements establishes the legal basis as well as the procedure and conditions under which extradition can be carried out, including guarantees to protect the rights of the extradited persons. These treaties include provisions about crimes that justify extradition, known as the principle of double criminality, and conditions under which a country may reject an extradition request, such as in cases where there is a risk of persecution. Due to the complexity of each treaty, it is important to have an experienced lawyer in Spain knowledgeable about specific details that may vary depending on the diplomatic relations and the domestic laws of the involved countries. There are two types of extraditions. The first one is the active extradition. The active extradition refers to the process by which the Spanish state, through its legal and judicial institutions, formally requests another country to surrender a person who is on its territory and who is requiring Spain to be prosecuted for a crime or to serve a sentence imposed by the Spanish courts. The second type of extradition is the passive extradition. This one involves handling the request received from another country for the delivery of a person who is in Spanish territory requested to be prosecuted or to serve a sentence for crimes committed outside of Spain. Our dedicated team is committed to protecting your rights at every stage of the extradition process, from assessing the validity of the extradition request and presenting robust arguments against extradition in case of possible injustice or violations of human rights, to handling all aspects of litigation and appeal. For more information, please contact our office. Thank you.